If you want to use multiple AI chatbots like Claude, GPT, and more in one place, Poe AI makes it really simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Poe AI account step by step. First, open your browser and go to Poe AI. Once the page loads, you'll see the sign up and login options right on the home page. Next, click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to choose a method like email, Google account, or Apple ID depending on your device. Now enter your email address or select your Google account. Make sure you use an active email because you may need to verify it later. After signing up, check your email for a verification link or code. Click it to confirm your account and activate access. Once verified, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here you can set up your profile and start exploring different AI bots. Now you can explore different AI models like Claude, GPT-based bots, and other custom assistants available inside Poe AI. To start, click on any chatbot and type your first message. You're now ready to use Poe AI for writing, learning, or productivity, and that's how to create a Poe AI account. Yeah, once you're set up, you can access multiple AI tools in one place and start using them instantly. Thanks for watching, and good luck exploring Poe AI.